From one tokusatsu genre to another, lipat naman tayo sa Kamen Rider or mas kilala dito sa Pilipinas bilang Masked Rider. Kamen Rider Black ang pinakaunang Kamen Rider na napanood ko. It aired in Japan noong October 1987 and it was followed by Kamen Rider Black RX a year later. Ang sinusundang Kamen Rider ng Kamen Rider Black ay ang Kamen Rider Super 1 na natapos noong 1981. At nung natapos naman ang Kamen Rider Black RX noong 1989, ang sumunod na dito ay ang Kamen Rider Kuga na lumabas noong 2000. Doon na ngayon naging unique ang Kamen Rider Black at Black RX dahil malaki ang gap sa pagitan nung sinundan niya at yung sumunod sa kanya. So sa start ng Kamen Rider Black, nakidnap si Minami Kotaro, also known as Robert dito sa Pilipinas, and his stepbrother na eventually naging si Shadow Moon to undergo cybernetic surgery. However, nung time na para sa brainwashing, nakatakas na si Minami. So naging mission ni Minami ang iligtas ang kanyang stepbrother. Since the idea is for them to fight one another and the winner become the new Creation King, naglaban sila, Minami won, and Minami defeated the current Creation King. The world is saved, ready for the next part.